Welcome guys, today I will show you how to make OTP system in Discord server. So let's do it. Go to Discord developers portal and make a bot and copy the token. Go to the shell and install discord.js 12.5.3 version. Now go to this website, link in the description, then copy the code and paste here. Then replace your token here. Then run the project in replit.com. Let's test it. Make sure to make a roll call verify. Works smoothly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to help me reach 1K subs.